Hello students, Namaskar. In the chapter Determinants, we have studied, the last topic was area of a triangle using the formula of determinants. Here we will be talking about the next topic of determinants, and that is minors and cofactors. Dear students, it's a very important topic. Name of minors and cofactors. This is our next topic. Dear students, each element of a determinant has a minor and a cofactor. So first of all, we'll be talking about the minors. So here I am writing the definition of minors. The minor of the element Aij of a determinant is a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column of the determinant. Dear students, if there is an element Aij of a determinant, then minor of this particular element Aij of the determinant is a determinant which is obtained by deleting ith row and jth column of that particular determinant. So here we go. Let us take some example, students. Suppose there is a determinant of order 2, then the elements are a11, a12, a21 and a22. Okay, the minor of this particular element, if I talk about minor of a11, dear students, the minor of a11 is denoted by m11, minor of a11. So just delete the first row and the first column, then this particular element is obtained. So a22 is the minor. Okay, the next is minor of a12, means minor of this particular element. माइनर किसका होता है? माइनर किसी एलिमेंट का होता है स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ ए डिटर्मिनेंट. तो किसी भी डिटर्मिनेंट में जितने एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उन सब एलिमेंट्स के माइनर्स होते हैं. और वो माइनर्स कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? उस एलिमेंट, उस डिटर्मिनेंट में जो एलिमेंट नंबर है, जैसे ए आई जे, तो उसमें ith रो और jth कॉलम को छोड़ देना है. जैसे ये एलिमेंट है a11, तो फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम को छोड़ो, तो दिस इज ऑब्टेन्ड, दिस इज व्हाट इज द माइनर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट. The second element is a12, leave the first row and the second column, then this is a21. So minor of a12, that is denoted by m12, and that is equal to, leave the first row and which column? The second column. So then a21, this is minor. Now if I talk about minor of a13, then m13 is not available. The next element is a21, then it is a21, and that is equal to, leave the second row and the first column, then this element is obtained. So a12, and at last, what is the minor of this particular element? Minor of a12 M22, that is M22 is equal to, leave the second row, delete the second row and the second column, then this particular element is obtained, so A11. So hence this is how we have found the minors of all four elements of a determinant of order 2. So how to find the minors of a determinant of order 2, you might have understood. Students, now here I can talk about the cofactors. So if I talk about the cofactors now, then the cofactor of, let Mij be the minor of, let Mij be the minor of the element Aij of a determinant. Then the cofactor, here I am cleaning this, then the cofactor of Aij is equal to -1 raised to the power I plus j, okay, and times Mij. You might have understood students, अगर Mij किसी भी एलिमेंट Aij का माइनर हो तो इस एलिमेंट Aij का कोफैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा, उस माइनर को हम -1 रेज़ टू द पावर I प्लस जे से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो अब अगर हम इस एलिमेंट का कोफैक्टर की बात करें, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द कोफैक्टर, सो एज द माइनर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट Aij इज डिनोटेड बाय Mij, okay, the minor of element A11 is M11, the cofactors are denoted by Aij, okay. So now if I write here cofactor of A11, and the cofactor of A11 students is denoted by capital A11, and that is equal to -1 raised to the power 1 plus 1 and times the minor M11, okay, and that is -1 raised to the power 2 is equal to plus 1, okay, and times M11, and that is what is the value of M11, that is A22 we have written. Now the cofactor of the next element, cofactor of A12, if I talk about cofactor of A12, so cofactor of A12 is equal to, is denoted by capital A12, and that is equal to -1 raised to the power 1 plus 2 and times minor A12. So what is the value of minor of this particular element, A21, minor of this particular element, so this is -1 and times A21, and hence the value is equal to -A21. So you might have understood how to find the minors and cofactors of a determinant of order 2. What is the first topic is what is minor of an element of a determinant. The second topic is what is cofactor of an element of a determinant. So minor of an element of a determinant, I have written the definition, that is minor of an element of a determinant is a determinant leaving the ith row and jth column of that particular determinant, okay. And cofactor is, if we have obtained the minor, then if we multiply the minor by -1 raised to the power I plus j, then it becomes the cofactor. So हमने क्या टॉपिक कवर कर लिया है यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स, माइनर होता क्या है, कोफैक्टर होता क्या है, माइनर और कोफैक्टर होता क्या है, उसके बाद में किसी 2/2 डिटर्मिनेंट की, और यू कैन से किसी डिटर्मिनेंट जिसका ऑर्डर 2 हो, उसके सारे एलिमेंट्स के माइनर्स और कोफैक्टर्स कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, ये हमने अभी सीखा है स्टूडेंट्स. तो आई एम श्योर नाउ यू कैन फाइंड minors and cofactors of a determinant of order 2.